Then a side of kimchi, just for a little mixture of flavor, you know? Sharks.
I think it's time for a new chair. What's up, YouTube? If you're new here, my name is Hansel, and today we need to upgrade the setup in another way. So my previous office chair I've had for a couple years now, and it's a little squeaky, and it's time to replace that bad boy. Perfect timing that Bananister reached out saying that they wanted to send me their office chair to try out, and I ain't gonna lie, little spoilers ahead, I love this chair. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and cut to the B-roll. All right, now we got the unboxing out the way. Let's get into the design. I would say it's a good blend of modern and functionality, because this thing just look good. Let's just call a spade a spade. It looks good and it's functional. So it comes with already built-in lumbar support, and it also leans back. So in my previous chair, if I tried to lean back, I'm gonna get a squeak and I might fall over. But with this one, I can lean back pretty far and it's comfortable, you know what I'm saying, without thinking I'm finna fall over. So pretty sturdy chair, and it look good at the same time. All right, next I want to add the breathability to this chair. I don't even know that's a word, but that's what I'm feeling when I think about this chair. So it got leather on it, and it's very breathable. You know how some leather is like real tight, it's either hot or cold, sweaty, sticky. This is not the case. The leather on this one is very breathable. It's very soft. It's very padded. And you know, if you're sitting at your desk, working from home, gaming, editing, or whatever the case may be, you need a comfortable chair or you're gonna have some back problems for sure. So this chair is very comfortable. I'm really surprised how comfortable it really is. At first I was like, had some mid expectations, but it definitely exceeded my expectations and definitely a great addition to the setup on comfort, because my last chair was putting me through there, I ain't gonna lie. So any good office chair has swivel capability, full 360. You can adjust the height, and it says it has quiet wheels. My office has carpet, so it's gonna be probably quiet anyway. But how about this? Let me just go take it out to the kitchen area, roll it around, see if it's really quiet. So just tested it, and it ain't silent, but it ain't loud. I mean, if you just into that, and if wheels really bother you, I'm sure you can pick up some wheels that you can slap on the chair yourself to make it more quiet or more smooth. To each his own, but it's not a real complaint, you know. But they did mention quiet, but hey, still good for me. All right, let's cut to the chase. Should you buy this chair? If you are work from home, edit, absorb content from your desk, definitely. But like, probably if you're a gamer, probably not, because it doesn't have really much head or neck support. But pretty much everybody else, definitely so. And I also want to add, it is reasonably priced. It's not like $400 to $1,000, none of that. It's like less than $200, I believe. I think it's about, I'm gonna put it right here, but it's like a little over $100 if I'm not mistaken, but it's gonna be right here if I am mistaken. But anyway, if you like the aesthetic of this chair or want to try it out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have a different chair in your setup and you think it might be better, also let me know down in the comments. Let's talk about it. So as always, people, till next time, peace.